Hi, welcome everyone. You've been asking us for a long time which prop trading firms to use, which ones we personally use. So in this episode, I'll show you one of them. I'm talking of course about My Crypto Funding, a prop firm that focuses mainly on the cryptocurrency market, however, not exclusively. I'll show you exactly how their website, mycryptofunding.org works, how to navigate it efficiently, and what My Crypto Funding actually offers us as traders. If you're interested in the prop trading, you're in the right place. When you visit the website, you land on the page you now see on the screen. The site is well built, everything is clear and nothing lags. I've been personally using my crypto funding for several weeks now, and I have never had any major issues, and the small ones were quickly resolved by their support. At the top, you'll find a well-organized menu where you can go directly to funding options, check out available trading platforms, or go to the tech support section. In my opinion, the whole menu is very intuitive, which is a definitely big plus. When it comes to funding options, we've got quite a few choices. You can start with a really small account since the options begin at just $5,000 and you can go up to as much as $200,000. This kind of range is quite rare in the industry and it's a brilliant option because it gives people without large capital the opportunity to get into prop trading with something smaller. To get an account, you need to pass a two-step test. In the first phase, you have to achieve an 8% profit, and in the second phase, it's just 5%. The maximum daily drawdown is 5%, meaning you can't lose more than 5% of the account in a single day. The overall loss limit is 10%, which is fairly generous, it's quite big. Now, the most interesting part, withdrawing our profits. So initially the split is 80-20, meaning 80% goes to us, and this percentage can increase in our favor as we receive more payouts. Right now, My Crypto Funding offers two platforms to choose from. One is their original My Crypto Funding platform, which has an incredibly clean interface and very importantly, it's integrated with TradingView, making trading much easier. The second platform is the well-known MetaTrader 5. It has a lot of features, you can customize your needs, you can easily place orders there, and very importantly, it gives you access to over 135 crypto pairs. If you're not sure which platform to choose, My Crypto Funding offers demo accounts for users who want to test them out first. At My Crypto Funding, you have access to a very advanced trader dashboard. It includes features like automated journaling, which is great if you don't collect data manually. Another interesting feature is the built-in economic calendar, so you don't have to visit other websites to find the time and the date of important news releases. Something that really surprised me was the Forex heat map, which shows currency strength or weakness comparisons. And of course, in the dashboard, you can also generate a certificate of account passing or payout. What makes my crypto funding stand out in the industry is that it offers trading on literally all asset types, starting with crypto, forex, and indices, and going all the way to stocks and commodities like gold and silver. Leverage is also available, it's up to 100, and compared to traditional exchanges, even with the VIP status, my crypto funding performs very well in the terms of fees. What's also quite unusual is that there are no restrictions on news trading. You can trade however you like and no one will shut down your account for that. As I mentioned before, any technical issues I've had were resolved very quickly by the My Crypto Funding support. You can contact them, for example, via email. And to do this, click on the Help tab in the upper right corner and then contact us. There you enter your details, describe issue in detail, and shortly you'll receive a reply from my crypto funding employee. The second option is contacting via live chat accessible in the bottom right corner. Once you open it, you're immediately redirected to a chat with my crypto funding agent and you'll get a reply in just a few, at most dozen minutes. There is also the option to contact them via social media, but in my opinion, the two methods that I mentioned before are the best. I also encourage you to join the Discord and Telegram where you can get the info or advice just as quickly. They also have a blog and a frequently asked questions section, so everything can be handled easily. You'll find all the social media links at the bottom of the website. Interestingly, the company is relatively new. It was founded just last year. It started with two friends with a strong experience in prop trading. Their goal was and still is to create the best crypto prop firm, one that's transparent, innovative, and focused above all on traders. They understand that crypto traders don't have it easy in the market, so they're doing their best to provide the best possible conditions and analytical tools like the mentioned before automated journal or the Forex heat map, and of course, excellent support. My Crypto Funding is one of the largest crypto prop firms in the world. Their core values are quality, continuous improvement and innovation, and of course, reliability. This shows that they really understand what trading is about. Everything sounds great, the foundation is solid, and I feel confident about the future of this company. To sum it up, my crypto funding is a brilliant option for traders wanting to get into crypto prop trading. Importantly, regardless of how much capital you have, you can start with small accounts, even $5,000, and move up over time up to $200,000. Initially, you receive 80% of the profit you generate, and this percentage increases in your favor over time. To get an account, you have to pass a two-step evaluation without losing 5% of your account in a single day or more than 10% overall. The strong points are definitely the freedom to trade how you want, not being restricted or told when you can and where you cannot trade, and their advanced dashboard with an automated journal that collects a ton of data, or the Forex heat map that helps you stay ahead. In terms of support, the company performs excellently, they're helpful and respond quickly. As for the transparency and the company's future, I have totally no complaints. I strongly encourage you to check out the site for yourself. It's mycryptofunding.org, and if you like it, start the test phase. See you next time.